Tractor Provider Company Limited, mechanizing agriculture in Africa. Leading agricultural machinery provider in all over Africa. Stock readily available in Tanzania. Export quality tractors at competitive prices with 1-year warranty. Qualified engineers for technical support. Heavy-duty implements specially designed for African terrain. Quality customer support. After-sales support. Wide range of tractor spare parts. Call or WhatsApp us at 0658-666-333, 0779-666-333. Hifadhi, opposite Ubungo Plaza, Maragro Road, Dar-Es-Salaam, Tanzania. Or visit our website, www.tractorprovider.net.